Have you ever wondered how thousands of colorful candies are made every minute? Let's discover the incredible journey from simple ingredients. Welcome to Mega Factory Universe, where we explore the remarkable technology behind the world's favorite products. The candy-making process begins with premium ingredients, including refined sugar, glucose syrup, natural fruit flavors, and food colors. Before production begins, every ingredient undergoes strict quality testing to ensure safety and consistency. Computer-controlled systems measure every ingredient with exceptional accuracy to guarantee consistent taste in every batch.
Natural fruit flavors and vibrant food colors are carefully prepared to create each candy's unique appearance and taste.
The carefully measured ingredients are combined inside giant stainless steel mixing tanks, where the candy mixture begins to take shape. Inside these giant steam-heated kettles, sugar syrup is carefully cooked at precise temperatures, creating the smooth foundation. The syrup now enters a powerful vacuum cooker, where excess moisture is removed to achieve the perfect candy texture. Natural fruit flavors and vibrant colors are blended into the hot candy mixture, giving every batch its unique taste and brilliant appearance. The hot candy mass is stretched into long, continuous ropes that move smoothly toward the forming machines. Precision forming machines shape the candy rope into perfectly identical pieces at incredible speed. Each candy is gently polished, creating the glossy finish that gives it its attractive shine.
Advanced vision systems inspect every candy for size, color, and quality before moving to the cooling and packaging line. Only the best can.
Freshly formed candies enter a temperature-controlled cooling tunnel, where they gradually harden while preserving their perfect shape and glossy finish. Smart optical sorting systems inspect every candy by color, size, and shape, ensuring only perfect pieces continue to packaging. High-speed wrapping machines individually seal thousands of candies every minute, protecting freshness and creating the familiar, colorful wrap. Each package receives production details, batch information, and expiry dates before automated systems verify every printed label.
Industrial robots carefully pack the finished candies into branded boxes, preparing them for transport around the world.
Completed candy cartons are stacked automatically onto pallets, creating perfectly organized shipments ready for delivery. Before leaving the factory, every shipment undergoes one final inspection. This is to guarantee the highest standards of quality and safety.
Approved for delivery.
Every pallet is digitally tracked and stored inside a climate-controlled warehouse, ensuring each shipment remains in perfect condition until it's ready. Once customer orders arrive, the finished candy is loaded onto delivery trucks and begins its journey to stores around the world.
Within days, these colorful candies arrive on supermarket shelves, ready to brighten every shopping trip. Behind every colorful candy is a journey of precision, technology, and care that brings smiles to people of all ages.
Every colorful piece reflects the perfect balance of craftsmanship, quality ingredients, and modern manufacturing technology. From premium ingredients to perfectly wrapped sweets, every step is carefully designed to deliver quality you can trust.
Every product has a story. Join us next time as we explore another incredible factory here on Mega Factory Universe.